Technology is a moving target. Performance levels change and will continue to change. And there simply isn't enough time for the trade's approach to deal with those changes on the client's behalf. Powerflor's approach is the integration of a floor structure with a pre-manufactured electrical system and a pre-manufactured data system. Because all of the panels are exactly the same size, they are interchangeable with each other. They are not attached to the subfloor, they're not attached to each other. They are loose laid. Addressing the location issue becomes something as simple as exchanging a panel with an outlet in it, another panel in the system where there isn't an outlet. Simple enough, they're not attached, no tools necessary, simply pick up the panel, total weight per panel of about 7 pounds, an easy task, doesn't require any trades input. The second element of the system is a fully pre-manufactured, pre-engineered, National Electric Code approved electrical system and a pre-manufactured data system, both electrical and data inclusive of the cabling and the outlets, into one fully integrated cohesive system that benefits the client in allowing him to relocate outlets very easily without trades involvement, relocate the entire system and reuse all the components, as well as address full access to the entire cable runs for those issues of service and upgrade.